Are you still relying on outdated chatbots that frustrate customers, waste your time, and leave sales slipping through the cracks? What if you could replace all of that with a smarter AI system? An AI that doesn't just chat, but sells, supports, and scales your entire business automatically? In this video, I'll show you why Agentic AI isn't just another chatbot or generic tool. It's an advanced AI-powered business partner that leaves everything else behind. Prepare to transform your operations. Let's start with the truth. Old-school chatbots? They're robotic, limited, and outdated. They answer FAQs, but as soon as the conversation goes off script, they fail miserably. Customers get annoyed, you lose credibility, and worst of all, you lose potential sales. This directly impacts your lead generation and customer support efficiency. For sales managers, this means missed opportunities and cold leads. Marketing teams struggle to convert interest into qualified prospects. Business owners see resources drained by inefficient processes. Now, generic AI tools? They sound exciting, but here's the catch. Most of them focus on just one thing, like generating text, giving answers, or maybe providing simple automations. They look good on paper, but they don't actually sell for you. They don't handle phone calls, and they don't manage your customers in real-world business situations. They lack the proactive intelligence needed for true business transformation. This is where Agentic AI changes everything. Instead of being another chatbot, Agentic AI is like hiring a full team of AI-powered employees. It gives you multiple agents in one powerful platform, each designed for specific, high-impact tasks. This is the future of sales automation and efficiency improvement. These agents are not just reactive. They are proactive, goal-oriented, and capable of complex decision-making. They learn, adapt, and execute strategies to achieve your business objectives. This is true business transformation in action. Agentic AI brings together specialized intelligences to cover every aspect of your customer journey and internal operations. This integrated approach ensures seamless lead generation, robust customer support, and unparalleled efficiency. First, we have the Workforce Agent. This AI handles complex customer queries and provides sophisticated support. It understands context, retrieves relevant information, and offers personalized solutions, significantly improving customer satisfaction. It can manage live chat, email inquiries, and even social media interactions. This agent ensures your customers always receive prompt, accurate, and helpful responses, freeing up your human team for more strategic tasks. It's a game changer for customer support. Next, the Voice Agent. This revolutionary AI takes calls 24/7, speaking naturally with prospects and clients. It can qualify leads, book appointments, answer product questions, and even handle inbound sales inquiries with human-like precision. Imagine never missing a sales call again, even outside business hours. This agent ensures every lead is captured and nurtured, dramatically boosting your lead generation and sales automation capabilities. It's always on, always professional. Then, the Standalone Agent. This powerful AI manages background tasks and optimizes business processes. It can update CRM systems, synchronize data across platforms, trigger follow-up sequences, and automate routine administrative work. This agent is the silent engine of efficiency improvement, ensuring your operations run smoothly and your data is always accurate. It frees up your team from tedious manual tasks, allowing them to focus on growth. And then comes the ultimate innovation, the Super-Chatbot. This combines the power of all these agents into one intelligent, cohesive system. It acts as the central hub, directing queries, orchestrating workflows, and ensuring a seamless customer experience across all touchpoints. Think about that for a second. Instead of juggling different tools and paying for multiple apps every month, Agentic AI gives you one platform that covers it all. Imagine your Workforce Agent handling live chat, your Voice Agent managing inbound and outbound calls, and your Standalone Agent keeping the back end running smoothly, all while you focus on growing your business. This is comprehensive business transformation. Now let's talk about the real pain point: missed opportunities. Every time a call goes unanswered, every time a lead doesn't get followed up, every time a support ticket drags on, that's revenue lost. For business owners, sales managers, marketing teams, and agencies, those missed chances can add up to thousands of dollars every single month. With Agentic AI, that problem disappears. Your AI agents are awake and working 24/7. They don't sleep, they don't call in sick, and they never get tired. While you rest, they're answering calls, capturing leads, qualifying prospects, and even closing sales. That's why businesses that switch to Agentic AI instantly notice one thing: higher conversions and more revenue without extra effort. This is the ultimate efficiency improvement. Let me paint the comparison clearly. Old chatbots, outdated, robotic, and frustrating. they hinder customer support and lead generation. Generic AI tools, fun to play with, but not designed to grow your business. They lack true sales automation. Agentic AI, smart, adaptive, and built for sales, support, and real customer engagement. It drives business transformation and efficiency. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete shift in how you can run your business. Imagine no longer worrying about missed leads or frustrated customers. Instead, imagine a system that learns, adapts, and continuously works to grow your bottom line. That's the promise of Agentic AI. It's a strategic investment for any forward-thinking business owner, sales manager, or marketing professional. And here's something even better. With the Agentic AI bundle deal, you're not just getting one agent, you're unlocking the entire suite at a massive discount. That means you'll have every single AI agent working together as one powerhouse system, at a price that makes it a no-brainer for immediate ROI. So here's the call to action. If you're serious about automating your sales, your customer support, and your lead generation, this is your chance. Right now, Agentic AI is available at a special discounted bundle price, but this won't last forever. This is your opportunity for true business transformation. Click the special link in the description below to secure your access and start experiencing the power of AI that actually delivers results. Stop wasting money on outdated chatbots. Stop losing revenue to slow follow-ups and missed opportunities. Instead, start scaling your business with AI agents that never stop working for you. So, if you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, a sales manager, or a tech enthusiast who wants to get ahead of the competition, Agentic AI is the smartest move you can make right now. Don't just watch this video, take action today. Click the link below, grab your bundle, and let Agentic AI take your business to the next level. And before you go, don't forget, if this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insights on game-changing AI tools, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you plan to use Agentic AI to transform your business.